So today we have St. Mary's University, Calgary, Canada. With us we have Pankti Babaria. Pankti, you there?
Yes, Richard. Hi, how are you?
I'm all good. Regarding Pankti, she is basically Pankti Babaria has worked for over 11 years with 6 years in education field. She started working with students for admissions to UK, followed by Australia and now Canada. And Pankti will be answering a very important questions which many of you feel is very important today's time. Why do employers prefer students with study abroad experience? Pankti, the stage is all set for you. Please take it over.
Great. Thank you so very much, Richard. First of all, thank you so much for letting me be a part of this event. It is wonderful to see all the students, along with Richard, of course, who's always been very supportive in terms of counseling students, at the same time addressing student queries and concerns. So, Richard is always the go to person. And now my name is Panti. I am currently representing St. Mary's University. However, before even starting with that, I'm going to ask or I'm going to answer a certain question, which is, of course, why student experience is preferred by employers. One of the very main reasons, or let me start with the very basic reason that the employers prefer student who have got a study abroad experience is, of course, the cultural awareness. The students who have the ability to absorb and adapt a new culture, that is something which is highly desirable, and that you get by when you study abroad. You gain a cultural sensitivity which you will get from all your peers around, on your faculties, all your team members around, and you will understand how a different culture works, how a different culture is. And this is something which is very basic, that the employers look for, that the student needs to be adaptable. The student needs to have that cultural awareness that he or she can be adapted with any kind of environment or atmosphere. This is one of the key reasons that actually help out students to get jobs wherein they have a study experience. Now, second is, of course, the courage. We as students would actually need to muster a load of courage to go to university and study alone. So this basically is, a feeling that employers also look towards, is having the courage to muster, to go there alone, to study with your favorite universities, your favorite subjects, and also at the same time, I would say at the same time, experience all the barriers that you might get as a single student. So when an employer sees that you've actually gone ahead, you've studied, you've been lived alone all by yourself, you've gone through that barriers of living alone, not with parents, not with relatives, but you're taking care of everything by yourself, you're being self responsible. That is something that employers also look kind of into. Then, of course, would be our problem solving skills. We, of course, expect that uh, as a, as a student who studied abroad, there are a lot of unforeseen challenges, I would say, or a lot of new and unforeseen challenges that a student would see when he starts his journey with studying. And this is something that if you're able to kind of take care or face those challenges, come out as a shining star, then of course the employers also know that if there's any kind of challenge which is thrown to the students, then they will be able to not run away but face it with courage, because the students have already faced those challenges, faced those problems when they were just starting their journey all by themselves. So again, this is something which is important. Then comes global experience. Whenever you are studying in a specific university, you are learning about that country, you are learning about that culture, and this gives you an edge compared to what you would do in your respective natives, is only because you get to meet like-minded people, you get to meet new people, you're making friends from the scratch. You are not just, I would say, not just being at home, not just being in your own country and doing things at your comfort zone, but you're going out from your comfort zone and actually studying, making friends, doing your projects, completing your degree, gracing your, having good grades. So these things again give you a global experience. You get to see how the university teaches you, which is again a global experience. Your faculties, your facilitators, your friends, all of this will be of not the same regionalities. You may meet people from different regionalities, and this for sure gives you an edge, because this will tell you that you will be experiencing, or you are already experiencing, a global space. You are having that global experience to meet and to adapt in any environment. If you have any language barrier, of course, when you study abroad, you even learn a language. So this also tells employers that if there's any kind of barrier, you will be able to adapt to it quickly. If there are any kind of challenges thrown, you will be able to adapt to that situation quickly. You will have the cultural awareness because you've traveled, you've lived alone, you've been self-sufficient, you've solved your problems by yourself. You've got, of course, the high quality education, which is there with all of our institutions where we study internationally. At the same time, you've got the cultural experience, so you've been through that cultural shock the very first time when you visit a university. So you've gone through all of that changes that start at the very start of your journey when you are starting to study and you take the first step towards your university, towards your end of the degree, wherein you are all the more confident, you are all the more developed in your skills, personally and professionally. So this would be one of the reasons that you should think of studying abroad. It gives you the global experience, it gives you the global knowledge, it gives you the cultural awareness, it makes you more confident, it makes you more sure about your career development, your skill development, and at the same time, you are aware and you can adapt any situation. You can adapt any unforeseen or new changes, new team members. And employers always look at these, because there might be many opportunities where an employer can tell you that you need to travel. If you've already gone through that journey of traveling, then it's easy for an employer. If you've already if you've already studied into a different region, then the employers can base you somewhere else for better locations, which always happens. So these kind of skills, I would say, is something that an employer always looks into, and this is one of the reasons that you should always have an international experience. So this would be my take on why should you have an international experience and why should you study abroad.
Thanks, Pankti, for that. Very well explained why employers look for students with international degrees, because of the independent lifestyle that they have, for the being a problem solver, to international exposure, to many things that you explained, and you explained it very well.